Hey there, car enthusiasts! Ever wondered what makes BMW stand out in the automotive world? Today, I'm diving into the secret behind BMW's cutting-edge technology. Buckle up because it's going to be an exhilarating ride. First off, let's talk about innovation. BMW isn't just about luxurious interiors and sleek designs. It's a giant in the realm of automotive tech. From the groundbreaking iDrive system to adaptive LED headlights, BMW consistently pushes the boundaries of what a car can do. So how do they do it? And it all starts at BMW's Research and Innovation Center, also known as FIZ. This place is a tech enthusiast's dream. Think of it as the brain behind every BMW model. Engineers and designers work hand in hand, using state-of-the-art technology to create prototypes and test new ideas. One of BMW's key strategies is their focus on sustainability. They are pioneers in electric mobility with their BMW i-Series. Imagine a car that's not only fast and luxurious, but also environmentally friendly. The i3 and i8 models are perfect examples of this vision in action. But that's not all. BMW is also at the forefront of autonomous driving technology. Picture this, cruising down the highway, letting your car handle the steering, acceleration and braking. BMW's autonomous systems are designed to make this a reality. They use a combination of cameras, radar and LiDAR technology to create a 360-degree view of the car's surroundings. Safety and precision are paramount. And let's not forget about connectivity. BMW's connected drive system is like having a personal assistant on the road. From real-time traffic updates to remote services and intelligent voice control, this system has it all. It's designed to make your driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. Now, you might wonder, where do these ideas come from? BMW collaborates with leading tech companies and universities worldwide. This collaborative approach ensures they stay ahead of the curve. By constantly exploring new technologies and integrating them into their vehicles, BMW continues to set industry standards. So the next time you see a BMW on the road, remember, it's not just a car, it's a masterpiece of technology and innovation built for the future. Thanks for watching, and if you love the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of BMW and beyond.